this light is packed up. Because the wiring has snapped. So it's just pulled off the bulb and it looks as if it's been repaired before. So you can get this off. We've got a new one arriving today, so I'll swap that out, put a new one on. So this is the new part, which is certainly badged Lucas, and it's got the chrome backing on. So I think this is it's going to look accurate, at least from outside. So I'll get it fitted. So with this, I had a bit of a problem in that this connector was just a straight one. Was that? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it was that one. So I needed it to take two lives. So this double connector, thankfully I had spare, so that's gone on the feed, and then it splits into the two lights. And obviously the earths are connected. The lens is on, so now I just need to see that it works. So there we have it. One is flashing on the side there, so all good. Important thing with these side lights is that they weren't a standard fit at the time when this was built in '69. But SEB seemed to have specified them from about 1967. Even the 2B forward controls had them on there. I think they were mounted on the side of the wing or something. So
it's a really lovely day today, very warm for February. I just wanted to give a quick update on plans for the coming year. So I should be at Gaydon on the 2nd to 3rd of May. Then there's a show, I think they're calling it Landy Fest, on excuse me, 11th to 12th of July, where I should be taking this. Then got the 10th de Cities in France on the 28th and 30th of August, which I'm hoping to go over in the short wheelbase. Never had that one abroad before. This one I've decided to get to France. And then in September 4th to 5th is the LRO show at Beaver Castle, where I will have the short wheelbase on show there. So looking forward to that. There'll also be no doubt Tea on the Tailgate events, which are really doing well. I think a lot of people really vibe with that. They're a very relaxed, sort of low pressure type of arrangement, which is good. So maybe see you at some of these, come over, say hi, have a look at the 1-tons. We certainly have a 1-ton stand at Gaydon, which I'm optimistic will be quite well attended. Should have, I'm hoping, 6 or 7 vehicles there, fingers crossed. So yeah, come